Meaning of eventuality.
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 Eventuality. Eventuality refers to a possible future event or outcome, especially one that is uncertain or unpredictable. It describes something that might happen in the future but is not guaranteed or certain. This term can refer to both positive and negative events, and it is often used in discussions of risk management or contingency planning. Eventualities may be planned for in advance or dealt with as they arise. In short, eventuality is a way of describing a potential outcome or scenario that may or may not occur in the future.